Let me start by saying that I really, really need this. It's one of those things that I don't tend to give myself, and that's time off, and that's time to reflect and time to think and just enjoy life. One thing I love doing is going to festivals, and obviously because of coronavirus I haven't been able to do that. But yeah, I wanted to basically video it, and I might not use any of this, but it's all going to be memories, it's all going to be stuff for my personal use, so yeah, I'm really, really looking forward to it. Tick, 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 tick. Drum and bass, man. Dying to hear loud drum and bass from really good speakers with really good lights. London, here we come. It's part of the condition of entry. If you want to go to the festival, you got to do this or have a COVID vaccine. But I only managed to get my second dose Sunday, and apparently they need like 14 days between it. Just massively under-timed it. I've had a haircut, and my missus doesn't know that I've had a haircut, so yeah, we're gonna surprise her when we get in the car. I don't know what she'll think about it, because I know when things change like that, I don't really like it, but yeah, it'd be interesting to see. Hey. Hair reveal.
Is it that short?
It's really short. Honestly, it's so different. Different. You ready?
No. Oh my god.
Proper short, isn't it?
Damn.
You can't grab it.
Oh, it's not. It's not as short as I
There's
thought.
There's length
Yeah,
here.
that's right
It's
then.
just, it's too floppy. Like there. Do you know what I mean? Do you like it? It'll grow on you, I reckon.
No, I do like it. At least you've still got a bit of length there.
This is what I used to look like back in the day. I look sexy.
Yeah. Oh, he's scared me a little bit though.
Let's go.
Thought it was
London.
good night.
From this place, smoke in the room, but I see your face. I can't hear anyone, blinded by laser guns. People around, they move how we move. We're in the crowd, all I see is you. I recognize the song, I might have heard it once. I can't recall.
You're not making the sound effects.
Should I make a sound effect?
You're gonna go vroom. If you do like the transitions.
Before the silence, we had it.
Yeah?
Right, let's turn around and talk about what you did.
What did I do?
You said go to South Bank, so I
Yeah.
took you to South Bank.
Oh, where are we? I said
2 miles later.
by the water. Rudy Eddie is moody because he's hot.
Bro, I'm fine now. Leave me alone. Stop talking about Moody Eddie.
Moody Eddie.
We're here at the Airbnb. Yeah, really nice place, and they bought some fresh bread in the morning, which was nice. But we're off to the festival today. Gonna go get some coffee. Rachel's just strolling out out of the shower. You're in the background, man. I'm trying to talk to the camera. I'm trying to give an update. What was I gonna say? You completely lost my trail of thought. Huh? Will it add to sex appeal? Yeah, when it comes to work and when it comes to doing stuff, I'm one of those people that I really struggle with. I think like things like this and going away, changing your environment, social interaction, again, that helps. Learn to do it and learn that it's okay. Because a lot of people, especially if they're starting out, they think, I need to work, I can't have time off, it will impact the business negatively, or yeah, you'll change, but keep making time for yourself, whether that's exercise, going away, reading, whatever it is. Do it for you and add that into your day, add that into your year. There's a few people like Tim Ferriss, they'll block out a certain amount of time within their year to say, I'm not doing any work for like the whole of July. and I'm obviously not at that stage in my life yet, but I think I need to plan stuff in prior to doing stuff, so that's why this has really helped. But like before that, I really did struggle trying to shut off, and I had a stressful week which I'm trying to overcome, and I definitely will think I'll make a video about it.
Are you licking your fingers at me?
No, I'm trying to see if it actually picks up sound. So Rachel, what's it like dating me?
It's a bit fucking rude sometimes. You're masked. I'm a bitch.
You love it though.
I'm gonna get masked.